To start, open Canva and create a design with custom dimensions. Well, the usual dimensions for an Instagram post are 1080 by 1080. For a carousel, you can opt for 1080 by 1350, which is taller. However, keep in mind that Instagram will crop the image to make it square on the feed. We aim to create two posts side by side, so I will use 2160 pixels wide by 1080 pixels high. To set up the page, go to File, then Show Rulers, and create a guide exactly in the middle at 1080 pixels. This guide helps us see the separation between the two posts. If you plan to have more than two posts, you can duplicate or add new pages accordingly. Each page accommodates two posts, so plan accordingly. Now on to the design. Start by adding a background color and an image that spans across two posts. If you're looking for images with no backgrounds, I will show you where to find them. Go to Apps and click on Background. Then choose a color or solid as a background. You can also search and add graphics and photos. Adjust it on your page. Next, add text on the main carousel cover on the second page. Logos can be found in the Elements tab. That is where I got the Instagram and Canva logos. To create an image spanning from the second to the third page, some cropping is necessary. Now open a new tab and search for Split Image. Click on this link, it allows you to split the images. Once the design is complete, consider adding arrows to indicate swiping and numbering the pages for clarity. You can customize colors as desired. After finishing the design, download the carousel as a PNG. Now to split the pages into individual posts for Instagram, use a website like pinetools.com. Navigate to the Split Image tool and upload your design. Select all the settings as per your needs. Once split, you will have individual posts ready for uploading to Instagram. With this process, you can create engaging carousels that captivate your audience seamlessly. If this tutorial was helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like this video.